Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. So you are going to head over your admin dashboard on Shopify. Then what we're going to do is to obviously sign in to our account. And then we're going to click on settings. When you click on settings, you're going to see the list of the settings or the control panel that we can control the website from. So we have the billing and we have the plan. So you're going to see basically the billing cycle that you have. So you can go ahead and remove, for example, subscription from here. You're going to click on subscriptions and view your subscription. We're going to see here the Shopify subscription. We're going to click on manage and then you're going to head over this page. Now, what are we going to do? Either you are going to change your plan, or if you want to deactivate the plan or remove it, you're going to deactivate the store. So you are going to click on deactivate store, just like that, and then you're going to set up the reason why you are going to put up the plan. So you're going to have here switch to basic plan, switch to pause and build, start a new store, and deactivate the store. The most reasonable one is going to deactivate the store and do not use it anymore. So you are going to lose the access to your admin dashboard and also your account. If you are going to renew the subscription, it is going to be available for you whenever you are going to sign in into this account and then select another plan. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.